mga kapartner, ari kita diri subong sa Milo Snack Bar. Kung sa diin may kaupod naton ang owner mismo sa Milo Snack Bar nga si Michelle Lou Idhan Navarro.
Mo pwede man miss.
Oh, Miss Milo, no?
Kapartner Milo.
Kapartner Milo.
Kapartner Milo.
Okay. Aton siya pag-istoryahon. Taga-aton ni Baluon ang istorya sa iya kabuhi.
Ang nickname ko, kag ang nickname sa husband ko is both Milo.
Ah, okay.
That's why it's plural term of Milos.
Kung sa din makahatag sa aton pagtulunan kag magamit man naton as we go along sa aton pagpangabuhi bilang isa ka entrepreneur direya sa Banwas sang Inubaan. Welcome sa atong programa KDP Talks, ang talk show ng bayan. Alright mga kapartner, ari kita diri subong sa Milo Snack Bar. Kung sa diin may kaupod naton ang owner mismo sa Milo Snack Bar nga si Michelle Lou Idhan Navarro.
Mo pwede man miss.
Oh, Miss Milo, no?
Kapartner Milo.
Kapartner Milo.
Okay.
Aton siya pag-istoryahon. Taga-aton ni Baluon ang istorya sa iya kabuhi.
Ang nickname ko, kag ang nickname sa husband ko is both Milo.
Ah, okay.
That's why it's plural term of Milos.
Kung sa din makahatag sa aton pagtulunan kag magamit man naton as we go along sa aton pagpangabuhi bilang isa ka entrepreneur direya sa Banwas sang Inubaan. Welcome sa atong programa KDP Talks, ang talk show ng bayan. Alright mga kapartner, ari kita diri subong sa Milo Snack Bar. Kung sa diin may kaupod naton ang owner mismo sa Milo Snack Bar nga si Michelle Lou Idhan Navarro.
Mo pwede man miss.
Oh, Miss Milo, no?
Kapartner Milo.
Kapartner Milo. Okay. Aton siya pag-istoryahon. Taga-aton ni Baluon ang istorya sa iya kabuhi.
Ang nickname ko, kag ang nickname sa husband ko is both Milo. That's why it's plural term of Milos.
Kung sa din makahatag sa aton pagtulunan kag magamit man naton as we go along sa aton pagpangabuhi bilang isa ka entrepreneur direya sa Banwas sang Inubaan. Welcome sa atong programa KDP Talks, ang talk show ng bayan. Alright, good morning everyone and welcome sa KTB Talks. Kung sa din, diri mga kapartner, aton ginastoryahan ang istorya sa imo kabuhi. And at the same time, aton kuhaan sang leksyon kung paano o kung ano ang imo ginimo kag nakalabot ka sang point mo nga you're good enough ka makasiling ka may success sa imo nga kabuhi. Pero sa nga time mga kapartner, mangikaw po dyan naton ang isa sa mga kilala nga kalanaan diri sa Banwas sang Inubaan, ang Milo Snack Bar. Kag this is an privilege for us nga maupod naton ang tag-iya mismo nga kilala sa ngalan nga Milo. Pero ang itutuod sini ngalan mga partner hindi ginakon makomplito, pero you know what, sa aton nga pagistorya sa iya diri siya aton kilalahon kung sino si Milo diri sa Banwa man sang Inubaan. Alright mga kapartner, kaupon natin subong si, ano pa nung si mo, Miss Milo?
Milo.
Ano, Milo lang gid.
Milo, yes.
Milo lang gid, no? Ano man, anong words nga namin gamiton? Miss Milo, kung Ma'am Milo? Laway man, Ma'am?
Hindi lang, Ma'am eh.
Miss B.
Miss, mo pwede man miss.
Oh, Miss Milo, no?
Kapartner Milo.
Kapartner Milo. Okay.
Partner in
Miss
crime.
Milo. Okay. Alright guys, kumikaw po natin subong sa si Miss Milo sang Milo Snack Bar. Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Yun.
Kapartner Kenneth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ako gali si Michelle Lou Idhan Navarro. Do kalayo gid sa akon ngalan, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Michelle
Miss Yulu Idhan Navarro. Okay.
I married na ko Navarro.
Navarro. Oh, I see.
People will always call me Milo Edhan. Milo Edhan.
Milo Idhan.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so mga partner, no, it's a privilege for us nga nakupod naton si Miss Milo. Kung sa diin, halos makita naton siya, especially sa mga activity dire sa Banwa sa Ginubaan. Sa mga especially no, sa mga pagkaon, no, personal pagkaon sa buong may mga sample kita di pagkaon nga kung sa diin mga partner, mangin natag man sang istorya with regards sa industriya sang restaurant and mga resto bar dire sa Banwa sa Ginubaan. Okay, Miss Milo, can you tell us more about sa imo? Sino si Miss Milo dire sa Banwa sa Ginubaan?
Yes, but before that,
Yes, ma'am.
let me cut you off. Actually, I am the president of Arriba.
Oh,
Arriba, it's the Association of Restaurant and Bar Owners in Hinubaan.
okay.
So, though kadakadto ko sa Gwa or sa Plaza, mostly, kaya ang events are usually sa Plaza. So, they call me Miss Arriba.
Miss Arriba. Okay.
So, paghambal Miss Arriba, it's Milo.
It's Milo. Okay. So, nice to know about it, Miss Milo. So, I can also call you Miss Arriba for that.
Yes, of course. Why not?
So Miss Milo or Miss Arriba, no, ang kaupod natin subong. So, as what she mentioned, she is also the president of Arriba, Association of Restaurant
And Bar Owners.
And Bar Owners.
Hinubaan.
Yes, Hinubaan, no. And this is
So-
padayon. We will take a short break. So, don't go away. So, Miss Milo being the president ng sang Arriba, and at the same time may business siya diri sa may Barangay 1.
Purok 5 Barangay 1.
Purok 5 Barangay 1. Can you tell us more about it? Anong imo yung mga gina-offer diri sa imong nga business? But before that, paano mo na come up sa imong panguna-una nga mag-set up ka sa ngalan nga Milo Snack Bar?
Okay. Going back to the history of Milo Snack Bar, it's Milo's Snack Bar.
Milo's Snack Bar.
Because ang nickname ko, ang nickname sa husband ko is both Milo.
Okay.
That's why it's plural term of Milos.
Yun.
The apostrophe comes after S, not before the S. Amo na usual ang daw may sala. But during the registration sa DTI, kag sa mayor's permit, it's Milos apostrophe S.
Okay.
Because it's a plural term of Milos.
See? So, kita mo no, bago lang ta nakabalo nga, may mga mo pagina behind the story gali sa Milos. Pero ma'am, if you don't mind, can you tell us more about it? Like,
About myself,
Yes,
I mean.
mga experience mo, nga, I guess, no, mapila ka na di ka tuig sa mo ma'am nga nag-decide na gisubong sinubaan.
Sige. Going back to the, not the history, but of course, I graduated in St. Michael's Academy. Batch,
direct sa Hinubaan,
2000,
okay.
Yes, batch 2000. And we were childhood friends with Cedric and Ricky.
Ay,
And I took Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication sa University of St. La Salle, Bacolod. And I had an opportunity to work abroad sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates for almost 20 years.
wow, for 20 years,
Yes, and to cut the long story very, very short, my first job was in a multinational cosmetics company. The second was in general trading and logistics. And I spent more than 10 years in Commercial Bank International.
Oh,
Yeah, it was in a bank, not in a culinary institution.
institutions. So then pagpuli mo diri sa Hinubaan, I guess this is for good nga nagstay ka na sa buong Hinubaan. But then daw layo sa imong experience, no, for two decades.
Yes.
Kadto ka na puli ka di, and then you come up into this kind of business. Paano naman na come up, ma'am?
Actually, I love cooking and making people smile.
Wow.
So when I was in my office job, I took the initiative of taking culinary arts, cake decorations, and barista during my pastime.
Okay.
And moving forward, it was really my dream of retiring at a very young age. So, ang imo bala hope nga makapuli kasi hinubaan temprano pa. And not to build a career, but of course to build an empire.
Wow.
So siguro, the fate has brought me here after the pandemic. 2 years ago, I initiated this small restaurant.
Wow. Yeah, as I remember pag-visit ko di gani, no. One thing ko nag-come up in sa akong mind nga. Wow, may kalan-an man diri, may snack bar diri sa hinubaan. This can also provide masaling naton siguro nga na-meet man nga mga pagkaon,
Yes.
di ba? So, which is imagine no, imo previous work lain
Yes.
kaysa subong nga business mo, pero as what you mentioned, you enjoy cooking, you enjoy people
Making people happy.
Yes, making people happy. So I'm one of it. I'm one of them, no? Nga nagakaon kag nalipay ko sa ginakaon ko. It's because that is from Milo Snack Bar.
Oh,
okay.
no joke?
No, yeah, not seriously.
No kidding.
Yeah, actually before ko nagkadto diri, I also talked with some of my friends. Ako makadto ko sa Milo Snack Bar because we will be conducting an interview.
Oh, yeah.
And then I mentioned it to them na na-meet sa mga pagkaon nila, and they also responded me positively. Yes sir, nakakaon kami na sa Milo Snack Bar. And they agree nga na-meet gid yung pagkaon mo di kano. Okay.
Surprisingly, actually this small business, Milo Snack Bar, when I was building this tiny house, ang gamay tadi nga unang nga balay, I was sharing food and snacks to the neighbors. Since it's like my passion to cook, I'm offering them other simple cuisines to family and friends. Nga even I tried out selling it.
Oh.
So, I guess because it's very affordable but yet quality, I guess they
Yes.
love it.
Yes.
And the rest is history.
Yeah, and the rest is history. Wow. So, yes ma'am no. With that kind of experience mo na, kag nakita naton subong of course people in Hinubaan, actually not only in Hinubaan and some of the neighboring places here in Hinubaan, they also of course kadto-kadto dire sila ka magkaon dire sa Milo Snack Bar. Okay mga ka-partner, antes kita mangayo sang response kay Miss Milo with regard sa mga experiences niya o paano niya na-overcome kag ano niya ginimo sa iya mga na-experiensyahan. We will be right back. Stay tuned. So, but behind those masiling naton nga na-enjoy mo na, do you also experience like trials or mga kabudlayan sa imong life nga they don't know nga ay na-experiencehan mo manggali ni kabudlayan?
Yes.
Is that okay for you to share it?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah.
One of the toughest trials, or shall I say challenge, that I have known so far is human engineering. Human engineering means how to handle people.
Okay.
Yes, we all know nga ang aton mga tao, they will always have some issues, either personal or family matters that we have to deal.
Okay.
But it's although beyond our control.
Yes.
So I should remain patient to educate them and nurture them just like my own family.
Wow.
That's the only best thing I can do.
So, you mentioned like human
Engineering.
Human engineering. I agree also with that, no? So, budlay to like kung kisa gani sang even before, no? Kung sang nagaobraman kita, may istorya naton ginambalan kita nga kung may problem kasi inyo balay, hindi mo pagdalon sa imong obra.
Don't take it personally.
Don't take it personally. So, amo na isa sa mga experiencean mo gid sa imong mga staff.
But of course, being a boss, gali, it's not an easy job. Because you will experience everything.
Okay.
Even to become emotionally attached
With your staff.
with your staff.
Wow.
Kaya especially when you are treating them like a family. So whatever feelings, whatever they are going through with their lives, you have to, be on it. Kaya because nga ginaturing mo sila nga they are not here just for the job. But they are here just like your family.
So, tumulang sa ako na, mama. Because, masilin natong isa, may hara kita, may makita kita, no? Some, of course, not all.
Yeah.
Pero, it could be like, may hara man nga pares man sa imo, sang attitude, no? Nga, you treat your staff as your family.
Yes.
Kag namin, no? Nakita ta sa imo, nga, with that kind of attitude, makita ta siguro, even siguro sa ila, no? Sa mga staff mo.
Yes.
Ma-feel nila, kag tamo nang inamban mo ganit mabatsagan mo man kung anong nabudlayan nila, nabudlayan man sila, nabudlayan ka man, and i-reverse naton siguro kung ano man ang kabudlayan mo, I guess nabatsagan man na nila.
Yes.
We will be right back, stay tuned. So, sa aton mga viewers, ma'am, maybe if you can also share it to them, ano yung mahatag mo, ma'am, nga mga ma-share mo sa ila, like mga learnings mo, with regards sa human engineering, with regards on how to handle sa mga staff mo, or maybe if you have some other concerns pa yung experiencehan mo sa pag-set up mo gid sining mga business.
Yes, as you can see, our team composed of several individuals, like in different groups. So I have working students.
Oh, okay.
I have out-of-school youth, PWD, LGBT, widow mom, and etc.
Universal grade mo mga staff.
It's Universal Studio.
Okay.
It's just like Universal Studio. So I know it's not an easy job to build a catering services or a restaurant, because cooking and serving food, it's not only about that. But of course, we need to deliver a quality food and also provide an excellent customer service. It's on the top of it.
Okay. Wow. So, with that, ma'am, like now, you are the president of Arriba, no, Association of Restaurant Bar of Binubaan.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sa ato mga viewers subong, sa mga members ta, ano pwede mo ma-share sa ila with regards to this? Paano man aton pagit sila ma-encourage, or even the people here in Binubaan to support sa Arriba?
Yes. Not only to support Arriba, but of course, in doing a business or entrepreneurship as a whole, I guess we have to treat, because based on my experience sa Gwa Bala, I promise to myself that I will not be a strict boss as much as I can, because I would always remember ang feelings bala nga gaubra ka lang just because to work. Pero lain kung ang workplace nyo ginaturing mo nga daw as a family.
Okay.
Here, especially in Milo Snack Bar, and I hope people from Arriba and also from other business sectors, we will treat our people like our own family. We should be happy, and we should be proud that in everyone's journey we are always there, either up or down sa ating business. And of course, I know that someday they will become a great entrepreneur, businessmen, businesswomen, and whatever talents or skills that we have, I am glad and I love to share it with them.
Wow.
Because whatever trials that they will face, they will always have us at their backs.
Wow. So, namin, no? So, see, sa ating mga viewers, no, nga natanaw sa mga partners, no? Makita naton, because of this kind of personality, ni Miss Milo, like, di ba, doon ka namin, no, nga, pwede man tang hindi ta mag-share sa aton nga mga staff or even sa makilala naton if they want to know more about sa ginahimo taman. But then, one way or another, if you do things like this kay Miss Milo, nga gina-share niya man ang iyang ang knowledge, ginatudlo yaman sa iyang mga staff, and then ginatanaw niya, ginalook forward niya nga someday ini mga staff ya galiya. Hindi lang sila mangin staff until hasta nga magtinigulang sila. So nami makita mo lang nga ma-appreciate na nila nga in return makasiling sila because of Miss Milo or because of these people of this person, nagamumang ko sinisubong.
Yes.
Diba? Nami tanawon. First, na makita naton na with regards to this, no? Miss Milo, thank you so much for allowing us to be part sa sining amon nga programa sa KDP Talks, no? Ang talk show ng bayan. Makita naton sa imo subong, sa imo nga smiling face, madalaman sa mga customers, di ba? Kagang ka-friendly mo gid sa mga the people around you, and even hindi mo pa makilala.
Yes.
Okay. So before we end our short talk, Miss Milo, can you introduce your Milo Snack Bar sa aton mga viewers, or can you invite them?
Yeah. Milo Snack Bar, as you have known it, it's more of a homey experience.
Yes.
Cozy ambiance, and I guess it's a perfect place to hang out with locals, family, and friends.
Okay. So, like the food, what's your what we call this main menu nga pwede naton ma-introduce sa aton nga mga guests kung magkadto dira sila?
Two of the best menus nga gina-request gid sang aton mga special persons are salpikaw kag ang beef shawarma. Wow. Yung isa sa mga gina-request gid nila, but we have some menus that are coming up this December, and we call it December treats probably. I started to have collected some photos and videos that it's soon to be launched.
Wow.
As December treats.
As December treats.
It's Christmas time, so we have to be more generous about the food.
Okay, so Miss Milo, thank you so much. Do you have additional words to say?
All I can say is we continue to share and to give back to the community. So by helping them, and it's a vice versa relationship.
Yes, it's
give
like,
and take.
yes, it's a symbiotic relationship.
Yes.
Give and take. Okay, so as we end sa aton nga short talk with Miss Milo sa Milo Snack Bar, makapabilin ako sa isa ka lamalanon. People who love to eat are always the best people. So makita naton kay Miss Milo, and of course sa mga nagkakaon man diri, those are the best people nga they always enjoy to eat, especially diri sa Milo Snack Bar. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much Miss Milo.
You're welcome.
Yes. And see you again for our next episode sa KDP Talks and Talk Show ng Bayan. Good morning everyone.
Good morning.